Hugpong ng pagbabago Senate bets barnstormed Ejercito Estrada countries on Wednesday, San Juan and Manila. In San Juan, a big tarpaulin featuring both Senator J.V. Ejercito and former Senator Jinggoy Estrada was displayed near the front of the stage. The estranged brothers both attended the campaign caravan, but did not see each other. The two sons of Manila Mayor and former President Joseph Estrada have not been on speaking terms for a long time, but have been campaigning together under HNP.
Ang susunod ay ang kaaway ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Wala man siya diri. Ay, sorry ma'am. Andito pala ang mama. Ano ba kayo? Hindi naman lang sinabi sa akin.
In a speech, JV apologized to San Juan residents for leaving early due to another commitment. San Juan is currently led by Mayor Gia Gomez, JV's mother, while Jinggoy's daughter, Vice Mayor Janela Ejercito Estrada, hopes to replace her.
Pasensya na kung ako'y kinakailangan una na ako po'y tatakbo pa ng Valenzuela para po doon sa groundbreaking ng subway system pang Metro Manila.
JV has repeatedly expressed apprehension that this elections will be a more difficult one, with him and his half-brother both running for senator. Meanwhile, in his speech, Jinggoy campaigned for his half-brother.
Ang pakiusap ko lang sa inyo, sa susunod na sa darating na eleksyon, gawin niyo na rin number 1 si JV kahit number 2 na rin ako.
Jinggoy says he sees no problem with having two Ejercito Estradas running for senator in these elections. In Manila, JV and Jinggoy finally stood on one stage. But the brothers still barely talked to each other, even when their father was on the same stage with them. For HNP's chairperson Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte, having two Ejercito Estradas run for senator is not a problem.
Sa tingin ko hindi kasi madami naman ang mga nag-iisip at madami ngayon ang tumitingin sa track record kung anong nagawa ng isang kandidato at saka iba yung apelido nila, yung isa Ejercito, yung isa Estrada.
Aside from the Ejercito Estradas, several Hugpong candidates also courted Manila and San Juan voters. In 2016, Manila had almost 1 million voters, while San Juan had more than 71,000 voters. Joyce Ila, CNN Philippines.